Firebird 33-inch by 22-inch by 9-inch Apron Farmhouse Handmade stainless steel single bowl kitchen sink. If you're looking for a sink that is durable and gives you the ability to do large dish loads, this will be the perfect addition to your farmhouse kitchen. There are so many things that make this one of the best farmhouse sinks. Firebird 33 by 22 by 9-inch Apron Farmhouse Handmade stainless steel single bowl kitchen sink is made from flawless 304 grade stainless steel, which is easy to clean. Its 3.5-inch drain at the rear center of the sink allows for fast and easy removal for water when you're washing dishes. The sink has insulating rubber at the bottom to minimize vibrations and noise, offering a better cleaning experience. If you're renovating or want to upgrade your sink, this is one option you should consider. This sink comes with a drain strainer kit, adjustable tray, and all hardware needed for installation.